Okay, now we are going to study about the structure of RNA. ठीक है? Now what is the meaning of RNA? DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. ठीक है? Whereas RNA, this is called DNA. Whereas RNA means ribonucleic acid. अच्छा, DNA is a double-stranded structure, whereas RNA is a single-stranded structure. RNA is a single-stranded structure. Now, what each strand of RNA is made up of? Each strand of RNA is made up of, again, sugar phosphate. Repeating unit of sugar phosphate. Fine. And again 4 nitrogen bases. Now what are those 4 nitrogen bases which are present in RNA? In RNA the nitrogen bases which are present are adenine.
Miss, each strand is made of RNA का.
तुम बताओ किसका बना हुआ है? क्या नजर आ रहा है? What each strand of,
उसी की तरफ
बताओ ना मुझे.
शुगर.
हाँ, sugar phosphate repeating unit का बना होता है. ठीक है? Now adenine and instead of thymine, it doesn't have thymine. बस यही difference है RNA और DNA में. ठीक है? It doesn't have nitrogen bases में. These are the differences between the DNA and RNA's nitrogen bases. It contains adenine, but it does not contain thymine. Instead of thymine, it has uracil, which is represented with capital U. ठीक है? And cytosine and guanine. Fine. Fine. Fine.
Yes.
Okay. So now tell me, what is the difference between DNA and RNA?
Miss uracil.
Number 1. First difference. First difference. What is the difference between DNA and RNA? Yes.
DNA contains 2 strands.
Very good. DNA contains 2 strands, whereas RNA contain single strand.
One single strand.
Acha, one more thing. RNA, each now, can you see any repeating unit in RNA? Can you see any repeating unit in RNA? Hamza and Talia? Can you see any
phosphate?
Hamza? Can you see any repeating sequence in RNA?
Yes, miss.
What? What is that?
Sugar phosphate, sugar phosphate.
Very good. It also contains sugar, phosphate and 1 nitrogen base, sugar, phosphate and 1 nitrogen base, sugar, phosphate and 1 nitrogen base. This is called RNA's nucleotide. Now what RNA nucleotide is made up of? RNA nucleotide is made up of 1 sugar. Now which sugar? It contains ribose sugar. Rather than deoxyribose sugar, it contains ribose sugar. Its structure is not the part of your syllabus, okay? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. And 1 ribose sugar, number 2, 1 phosphate group, and any one of the 4 nitrogen bases. Clear?
Yes.
ठीक है? Okay,
जी मिस।
shall we move forward?
जी।
Okay, now tell me the differences between DNA and RNA.
मिस
DNA
शुगर
contains 2 strand and RNA contains single strand. Okay, or
मिस शुगर डिफरेंट है।
which sugar? It contains what? Adenine. Achha, fine. It contains, very good, deoxyribose sugar. और इसके अंदर it contains what?
राइबोज शुगर।
Okay, it contains ribose sugar. Very good. Or number 3.
4 nitrogen bases are different.
Which nitrogen base is different?
Thymine.
यूरेसिल हाँ।
अच्छा बताओ. It contains 4 nitrogen bases, which are adenine, thymine, cytosine and guanine. And this one, it also contains 4 nitrogen bases.
Adenine or thymine instead of cytosine.
It has uracil instead of
थाइमीन।
thymine. That's it. ठीक है? Clear?
जी
ठीक है?
Yes.
और एक डिफरेंस और हो सकता है, वो भी हम थोड़ी देर बाद पढ़ेंगे कि डीएनए सिंथेसाइज्ड बाय इटसेल्फ. DNA strand is synthesized. ये बिल्कुल लास्ट डिफरेंस है सिर्फ समझाने के लिए. बाय इटसेल्फ, whereas RNA is synthesized by DNA. RNA को DNA ही सिंथेसाइज करता है. क्लियर?
जी
ठीक है? ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट, ये अभी एक दफ़ा अच्छे से पढ़ लो, पूरे नोट्स को अच्छे से देख लो, फिर हम आगे चलते हैं. कैन यू सी डैट?
जी मिस।
नज़र आ रहा है? नोट टेकिंग तुम लोगों ने भी की थी खुद से, क्योंकि नोट्स में नहीं होगा ये.
जी।